Hey guys, really quick video on how we can fix the issue with the error that you're getting F8-E4. This is really similar to other dishwashers. So this is a water leakage, and how to fix it is really simple. All you have to do is that from the bottom you're gonna have a drip tray that needs to be like taken out from the bottom. So first, what you want to do, turn off the water and power to the dishwasher. Remove the toe kick panel using the nut driver. So first you're gonna have this part here on the bottom. You can just like look on the video like what he's doing, and you want to remove it. Then what you want to do, you want to access the drip ran. So pinch the plastic on each side of the drip ran to pull it out carefully, and there is going to be water, so be careful when you're going to pull it out. Okay, then you want to check for the water, inspect the pan for water. Even a small amount can trigger the sensor. So there is this sensor that can like trigger it at the error, right? So you would want to mop up the water, dry it out completely, check for the leaks, and reassemble and put it back in. And then you want to like run a short cycle. So this is what you want to do. It's super simple. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.